think it's all so right, how we don't need to fight and we stand face to face. You present your case. Yes, I know you're telling me that you love me, and I really do want to believe. But did you think I'd just accept you? Blind faith, oh sure, baby, anything to please you. You better be good to me. That's how it's gotta be now, 'cause I don't have no use for what you loosely call the truth. You better be good to me.
Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes, and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to review a great rock song from the legendary Tina Turner. It's called Better Be Good to Me. It was written by a gentleman named Mike Chapman, Holly Knight, and another lady named Nikki Chin. Better Be Good to Me peaked at number 5 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1985. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. Now what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know. Then we'll perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great rock song from Tina Turner, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, before we get to the chords that you're going to need to know for this great song, a quick disclaimer. If you're hoping to learn the original album version of Better Be Good to Me, this is not the tutorial for you. I am going to show you how to play the live version of this song that Tina Turner recorded for several live albums. It's got a lot more of a rock feel to it and a lot more punch. The best concert I ever saw in my life was Tina Turner's 24/7 tour back in 2000. And when they played this song, I was blown away. It's actually played in the key of G. With that said, let's look at these chords that you're going to need to know. The first one is a G major. There's a C chord in it as well. Now, I actually use the C add 9. You can use either or, both will work. And finally, there's a D chord. Those three chords make up the bulk of this song. Now, I add a little bit of a bridge where I use some power chords. I'm going to show you that at the very, very end. You can choose to add this bridge in or completely omit it from your version. It's completely up to you. When we get to that part, I'm going to show you how to play it using some power chords. But the majority of the song, I'm talking 95% of the song, is played with just those three chords. With that, let's get to the cover.
Prisoner of your love, entangled in your web. Hot whispers in the night, captured by your spell. I'm captured. Oh yes, I'm touched by the show of emotion. Should I be fractured by your lack of devotion? Should I? Should I? Oh, you better be good to me. That's how it's gotta be now, 'cause I don't have no use for what you loosely call the truth. better be good to me. Things are so right, how we don't need to fight, and we stand face to face. You present your case, yes or no. You're telling me that you love me, and I really do want to believe. But did you think I'd just accept you? Blind faith, oh sure baby, anything to please you. Better be good to me. It's how it's gotta be now, 'cause I don't have no use for what you loosely call the truth. Better be good to me. Better be good. Be good to me. Better be good. Be good to me. Yeah. Alright, alright. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, alright. Yeah. I really don't see what's so hard to be. Be good to me. You know what I don't understand? What's your plan? If you can't be good to me. No, I can't feel, and surely cannot see why it's so hard to be good to me. Why can't you be good to me? Why can't you be good to me? 'Cause I don't have the time for you hold a load of lies, and I ain't got no use for loosely called the truth. You better be good to me. Better be good. You better be good to me. Better be good. Better be good to me.
Okay, let's just jump right into the chord progression of this great song. We're going to break this into 3 parts for you. We'll start with the verses, then we'll have a closer look at the chorus, and then we'll finish things off with a look at that bridge that I incorporate into the acoustic lounge version. With that said, let's have a look now at the verses. The song starts on a G major chord. Here we go. Prisoner of your love, tangled in your web, hot whispers in the night. I'm captured by your spell, I'm captured. Oh yes, I'm touched by the show of emotion. Should I be fractured by your lack of devotion? Should I? That's where it jumps into the chorus. Let's have a look now. Alright, the chorus also starts on the G chord. The only difference here is I'm continuously strumming the chords here at the chorus, as opposed to just hitting one chord at a time. Prisoner of your love. It's a continuous chord strum to the chorus. Starting on the G, here we go. Ah, you better be good to me. It's how it's gotta be now. 'Cause I don't have no use for what you loosely call the truth. Better be good to me. Very easy. Alright, let's just jump in and finish off with a look at the bridge that I incorporate into this song. Okay, so I've simplified this bridge from the original version that Tina Turner's band performs on any one of their live CDs. And again, if you're a fan of Tina Turner and you've listened to this live version, you'll know that this particular part on the song has really got a kind of a punchy rock sound to it and vibe. Of course, mine is a lot more simplified, but the point comes across. Here I use power chords, and really the note that we want to focus on here is the F, which is the first fret of the 6th string, to the G, 3rd fret of the 6th string, to the A sharp, 5th string, 1st fret, and then to the C, 3rd fret, 5th string. And really, it's just a power chord. So all I really do is strum the power chord of the F and slide it right up to the G, keeping that same finger pattern. And that's it. I do the same for the A sharp to the C. And I repeat it. But here, I go from the C to the A. To the A sharp, that is. So let's have a closer look. Yeah, yeah. Alright, alright. Yeah. And then I simply repeat that. Now, this particular part of the song you can completely omit from your version. If you don't like power chords or you can't make it work, it's not that big a deal. I just added it in because I like how Tina Turner does it in her live versions. Love, love, love this song. So there you have it. Tina Turner's Better Be Good to Me. Thank you for tuning into my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please, please, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.